And a major influx of boda-boda motorcycles in the country has seen the large number of motorbikes start to attract mainstream business in the country. Well, the latest is Total, which says it has configured a brand of oil to suit the tough conditions that they operate in. According to the Motorcycle Assemblers Association of Kenya, there are 4.8 million motorcycles, majority of whom are boda-boda operators. Well, according to the research, there are about 600,000 commercial motorcycles on Kenyan roads, with each making on average 1,000 shillings per day. Well, this translates to about 600 million shillings a day and 219 billion shillings annually. This market has meant that Total, who invested in a $1 billion shillings lubricant blending plant in Mombasa to serve in the region, have started to reap big returns from the investment.
Boda tunajua ile significance ambayo inafanya katika economy ya Kenya, na zile namba za pikipiki ambazo ziko Kenya na zile shida ambazo wanapitia kila siku kufanya kazi zao. Na the reason why ni very specific kutumika kwa pikipiki ni kwamba pikipiki inahitaji oil ambayo itafanya kazi tatu ama kazi kwa viungo vitatu. Itafanya kazi kwa engine, kwa gearbox na pia kwa clutch ya pikipiki.